What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mills over here with another sneaker review. Trying to knock these sneaker reviews out for you guys as much as I can. It's not easy with a full-time job, family, and amongst other things that I do throughout my week. But here we have the Retro High OG Crimson Tints. Black Crimson Tint White is the color. But I want you to see my box. Look at my box. I don't know what happened. This is like really soft. I think the box got wet. Must have got wet. Look at this. Look at the change in the color of the box. Yeah. I'm a stickler for boxes. I like to have my boxes. I'm not into the whole container store stuff, but it's all good. I mean, it's not gonna. It's drying, I think, a little bit, but it's still gonna stay that color. Actually, now look at it. It looks kind of cool. That's fucking funny. Nah, but yeah, that's just one thing about the box. But let's get into this review, guys. Bam! Here it is, guys. The Air Jordan 1 High OG Crimson Tints. And you got your size tag, USA 12.5. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Crimson Tint. Black Crimson Tint White. This shoe right here is a dope shoe. I'm glad I was able to pick these up. Got these on Nike, actually, on Sneakers app. They sat for a little while, but I was okay with that because I was able to get my 12.5. Usually ones I need a 12.5 because it gets kind of snug in the toe area right here. So with the 12.5, I have enough space to move around. This cushioning, oh man, this is really nice cushioning. This reminds me of the old style cushioning. There's a lot of cushioning in here. And then that cracked leather. That cracked leather is beautiful. Nice and shiny. You see that? With that crimson tint. Pink-ish. Peach-ish. That's what I'm going to go with because that's what it reminds me of. And you got your crimson tint swoosh on there. You got your crimson tint swoosh on there. You got your Wings logo. Bam. Look at that. That's nice. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful shoe. And you got that insole. It's like it's an orange insole? No, it's like a pink. Like a magenta. Like a friggin' magenta insole in that sucker. Look at that. Vibrant, shiny. Nike Air in what color is that? The green. Then you got your extra laces in these bad boys. You got that green with the black lace tips, and then you got that crimson tint with the green lace tips. I don't think I will switch up the laces. I'm not really too into switching up laces all the time, unless it's like a must, because it just looks bad with the originals. But these look good. This is the old color blocking. The OG color blocking. So you can't go wrong with the OG laces in there, the OG black laces. Got that little hint of crimson tint. I think it's a good look with just the OGs. But if you want to style them up a little bit, you got your options. You got your green, you got your crimson tint. You got it. Here's the. You got those words, the care, the trademarks, and your guarantee of quality. Swoosh. And you got your Nike Air on the tongue, as always. People love this. This is basically why this is called a Retro High OG, because of the Nike Air. Plus, a lot of times also has to do with the shape of the Jordan 1. If you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.